they call an undercover man. A private eye, hired gun. Somebody's got a secret and you want to know it, then you come to me. I play it hard and dirty, but I deliver the goods and fast. I'm on a tricky assignment. I won't say who hired me. If you're smart, maybe you'll guess. The rumor was that Ford were planning to move into the fast-growing light truck market. Their plan was frightening, to clean up on urban delivery, lightweight intercity haulage, minibuses, light construction vehicles, ambulances, fire tenders, mobile shops, the lot. Security at Ford is tough, very tough. But if you drive a Ford, it makes it a little easier. In my job, it's attention to detail that keeps you alive. I checked out on the test laboratories first. High G-rig, seatbelt and cab strength tests. All information recorded on film and computer tape. Very clever indeed. Tough-looking chassis, and they're sure handing it some punishment. Exhaust is taking a terrific pounding, too. A lifetime's wear in a matter of weeks. Suspicious bunch. They even test other people's tires. Yes, running at high engine temperature, running with low oil. This must be what they call testing to destruction. If it'll start with icicles hanging from it, it'll start anywhere. It was all beginning to hang together, but I still hadn't seen the truck. The word was I could find one at another plant. I flipped across to take a look. Electrostatic paint dip. Must be the latest thing. Hand sprayed and high gloss enamel on the production line. Looks pretty good. That is some engine. 6-cylinder diesel. Must be specially developed for the A series. Loads of power right to the top of the range. 6-cylinder petrol too. Four-cylinder diesel and petrol. Smaller versions of the 6-cylinder units. Engines they've been using in tens of thousands of transits. And a 5-speed gearbox option. There she is. Looks rugged. No nonsense. Engine out front for easy service. Very comfortable. Steering lock. Clear gauges. 2-speed wipers. Headlamp flasher, indicators, horn, all on one stalk. Easy heater controls. Cabs really well laid out.
Come on! Come on! Hurry!
They've taken me for one of themselves. Water is coming from all sides, but I'm as dry as a bone in the desert. I like this truck. The rolling road. I'll take her up through the gears. Very thorough. They roller test every vehicle as it comes off the line. Now, I'll lie low till nightfall and see what else I can find. Damn. A special van body, too. Wide front, full width wings and deep windscreen. Wide, low step. Good driver access. Slim pillar. Same good instrument layout here, too. Rear doors held by stays at 90 degrees, but also full back flush with the body. Loading height is very low. Flat-topped wheel arches, sturdy-looking body. Easy step up into load space. Now, I know almost the whole story. I know how they designed her, how they tested her. I know how she is put together. Now, I've got to drive her. If I could con my way into a job as a test driver, my dossier would be complete. Here I am with the toughest test circuit in the world. $100,000 miles at top speed on Autobahn roads. Continuous driving, never stopping except for services. A lifetime and 6 months. And everything about the vehicle is monitored on instruments. Surfaces simulating every kind of road. These surfaces are rough as hell, but you don't feel it in the cab. Hells and bends to test transmission, steering, brakes. And 30-degree gradient tests. Now, the handbrake test. Will it do it in reverse? The high-speed banked circuit. It handles great flat out, and it's quiet too. Dirt track road. I'm punishing this truck, but everything I dish out, it swallows and asks for more. Now, there's only one more test, the open road. But first, I've got to get the truck out of here. I stripped out the instruments, put on Swiss plates, loaded her up to the limit. Now, for the Alps. Very maneuverable in town. the Ford case wide open. I've built up a complete dossier on the new truck. It's called the A series. I've test-driven it, and I've even managed...
No, my friend. You have failed. You have been slow. You have taken too long. The A series is available in every Ford truck showroom in Europe. You have failed, and you know the penalty for failure. Goodbye.